Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we will learn one very basic but very important rhythmic pattern on Congo. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Now let's break it down. We will play the beats on the bass drum of the Congo like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you use only the half of your hand and you have to bounce your hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will add the pattern, that is anda, on the high tom and the mid tom of the Congo. We will play the high tom with the first and third beat, and we will play the mid tom with second and fourth beat like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. If you don't have this instrument, then don't worry. You can still practice. Just grab your pillow or cushion and start practicing. So that's all for the today's session, and now I want you to practice this rhythm and most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.